Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start a new project and we're going to be working here in the backyard. We have been living here for almost 2 years now and we haven't done anything with the backyard, but we knew we were going to do something. That's the whole reason we got the house, because of the size of the yard. So right now we're going to be extending our patio. I have a cousin that does concrete, so he's going to come take care of that part for us. And but before that, we told him we would kind of prep, so we're going to be removing the sod ourselves. So I'm just going to give you an overview. Let me go over here and just give you an overview of our yard and what it looks like now. So I'm not even in the furthest corner right now. So this is pretty much why we got this house. We wanted this yard space and we absolutely love it. Overlooks the lake. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to create our backyard oasis. So we're going to be extending our patio here out in the center and then also on that side over there. So to make the job a little bit easier for my cousin, we're going to go ahead and take our sod out. So then when he comes, he's just able to frame it up and pour it. So we had to rent this sod cutter from Home Depot. We got a lot of tools, but this is one that we do not have. So we're going to use this to get it up so it can go pretty fast, and we're not trying to kill ourselves getting it up by shovel. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey guys, it is early morning, and I know I haven't filmed much of this part of the project because removing sod is a complete beast. I have laid sod, but removing sod is just completely different. We have St. Augustine grass that is extremely thick, so it has been quite a job. But let me just show you guys where we are. We did use the sod cutter, as you saw, and we have removed most of it. Well, pretty much we've removed all of the sod, but right now what we have to do is level out the dirt, and they need at least 4 inches. So the sod cutter was able to give us 2.5 inches. So we still have about another 1.5 inches to go. So the hardest part about this is the weight of the dirt and the sod. Like I said, you guys can see our grass is really thick already. So the hardest part of this whole thing has been rolling up that sod, putting it in bags, putting it in a wheelbarrow, and then transporting it to the front of the house so we can get it out of here. So I know I saw some people using skid steers, but we just did not want to do that because you can see our side yard here. We did not want to mess up our grass. We still wanted it to look nice like it is. So we chose to do it this way, which unfortunately is the hard way. This has been rough. So this has actually taken us, this is day 2 technically, because we didn't get the sod cutter until late at night. About 7 the first night, and then so we really worked on it all day yesterday. So yeah, my cousin is coming today, and he's going to take a look at it and see if we're good enough to go ahead and frame it up. So before he gets here, I got about 3 hours before he gets here, and it's 7 in the morning, by the way. So I'm going to try to even it out as much as I can, so hopefully it can be ready. So we can get this show on the road. But yeah, this is where we are. I'm actually proud that we were able to do it, but Lord have mercy, it is hard work. Don't let anybody fool you and make it easy, like, oh, it's just simple, just go out there and cut your grass up and roll it up. No, it's hard work, but it'll be worth it because I think it's going to be really nice. So if any of you all are interested in getting any concrete services done, this is my cousin Terry right here. It is Heavenly Faithful Concrete. They are out of St. Mary's of Kingsland, Georgia. There's a phone number right there. They do come here to Jacksonville, but only up to, what is it, Dunn Avenue, right?
Yeah, I go on Lim Turner.
Okay, Lim Turner area also. So basically north side of Jacksonville, they do service. So if you all are in need of any concrete services, holla at my people. Hey guys, welcome to day 3. We are ready to pour in this concrete. Let me show you guys so far. Y'all saw my cousins came and framed it out, so it's all framed. Last night we came in and we had to add some dirt inside the beds just to kind of bring them up a little bit. But we are ready to go. We're about to pour some concrete. We're just waiting on the truck to get here and we will be done. All right, everybody, we are finally finished. So I am very happy. My cousin did what is called a picture frame molding around the side, and or picture frame edging, I guess. But yeah, it's just like a line, just kind of outlining the patio, which I think looks pretty good. So I'm excited. Now we have an additional 420 square feet to play with here. I cannot wait to show you guys what we have planned for this patio. But now that it is in, I can start decorating, which of course is my favorite part. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.